Everybody can hear me? We are all set on all cylinders. Can you hear me, Leon? Good, 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 good. Who took this trade with me Friday night? We were like skeptic, and then we took it. It was a good call. All right. All right, Ari, let me just do something real quick while I yeah, ready. Now, I would love for you to join this and sign up on my team. The link is provided, and I have some prizes. I have literally $1,000 cash prize that goes to the winner. It obviously I wouldn't be sending you the cash prize. It would be digital, but that's for effect. Now, let's see here. That's mic source HD just for a minute. And it's gonna have to.
Let me tell you what it's all about. The World Series of Day Trading is the largest, most important, and most dominant trading-related competition in the world. Every few months, the day trading community holds its breath for 6 trading days to see who is the leading talent in the world of trading. Each competitor gets a $240,000 demo account to trade with for the 6 trading days. The goal is to reach the end of the competition with the highest account balance and without getting eliminated. Each competitor must trade on at least 4 active trading days out of the 6, and you're not allowed to hold any position overnight. On a given trading day, you may not lose more than $3,500, and you can't be down more than $12,000 at any point in the competition. If you reach the max loss, you are automatically eliminated. It's an open competition, and anyone can apply, whether you have many years of track record in the market or very little experience. While we are powered by Tradenet, you can apply regardless of where you obtained your education and irrespective of the trading platform you use. The prizes for the champion and the runners-up are fantastic. The champion wins a $240,000 funded account access plus a $6,000 Tradenet voucher. Each one of the top 20 traders wins access to a funded account. The total funded account access fund surpasses $3 million. You need to know that as a competitor, you deserve to be a part of a team. Your team leader will guide you throughout the series, so it's better if you follow him and his social media channel closely. As a team member, you also enjoy the internal competition with your teammates. The best trader in your team wins an $80,000 funded account value, while the 2 runner-ups gets a $14,000 funded account access. Your team is also competing with the other teams, so if your team is among the top 3, then the leading players on your team can get even larger prizes. Got more questions? That's okay. Fill in the details below, and we will get back to you shortly to explain. Now it's time for you to go ahead and sign yourself up with one of the teams. Hurry up and sign up right now.
Sorry, YouTube. It's been a long time. All my stuff was just off today, man. All my stuff was just off. My mics, everything, tech. I do apologize. Um, but we are now looking at quite a dip there. But not to get scared. Sell 4,000 shares. I'm still in 3,000, and those pullbacks are opportunities, if anything. Just gonna be easy with it. Options are I don't get. I don't get what's going on with the options. This one option's up 64, as you could see, and this just dropped down 149. It, they're not. The prices are not adjusting properly. Those are horrible, horrible options. Are these weeklies? They are. Sorry, guys, on YouTube. You're the best for hanging in there. The hell? Now it wants me to restart. Uh-oh. I don't know why I just did that. That's super annoying. And I see me, and I see you. And oh, that's nice. Hmm. All right, man. So just give me a second here. Okay, sorry about that. Let me put that thing back on. Boom. And screen. Okay, TVIX is popping back up. We got a little upside down cup and handle thing going on here. This UVXY option sucks that I bought, and I'm so mad because the opportunity is just ridiculous. Come on, let's pop up. Let's pop up. I'm gonna put an extremely high sell price on it. That might increase its value. And I do own enough of them that illegal to sell. Oh, I'm on the wrong account. Damn it. All right, we have to be really. I have to be really careful here. It's either hold and just or sell. That's it. I could always buy a smaller share size. I know this is going to come down, so I'm going to hold here. It's very unlikely that it could. It might pop here, but it's unlikely. Now this should pull down and hit new lows. And once that is done, it might not hit new lows. There we go. There we go. Up, 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 up. Talking to TVIX. Up, 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 up. 70, 1971, 1974, 75. Beautiful movements. Beautiful movements. 75. Come on, let's go to 80. $70 limit price 19. All right. I'm selling 5,000. I'm still in 2,500. All right, guys. Since volume wasn't working on what happened? Oh, Corey, come on, man. Get out of here with that stuff. Why is she a she? Because I want her to be a she. Is that racist? Is that sexist? Are we gonna go here right now? I think we are. I think we are. Sell what? UVXY? TVX? What? What are you talking about, Dan? Sandan? I see. J points. Oh, you guys trading oil or something? One of the oil stocks? You guys or Juggas? I would take a men's secretary if it was online. God, I'm sounding worse and worse. I'm gonna get me too. Stop testing. No, I'm just kidding. I am a big time feminist. You notice a lot of men say that lately. I'm a huge time feminist. We're scared. Current climate. You got to read this TED talk about this lady. She was a feminist, and she was extremely like in your face feminist, and she went to these guys, and her heart kind of changed because yeah, there's pigs and pervs and all that stuff out there, but it's not everybody. And did you guys see the Harvey Weinstein movie on Netflix? I believe it is, or Hulu. Actually, it might be on Hulu. But long story short, they yeah, look at this movement. Double bottom. This doesn't look good. I just sold that option. I don't even know what I picked it up for. 178 for $50. That's not bad. Um, could have got it for like 62, but 52 is just dandy. I know I texted that out on an alert. I'm not necessarily going to tell you to exit because I gave an exit and entry on that. And that exact exit and entry is nice. Santosh Daniels is now. What position are you? Don't say catching or pitching, please. What position are you? No? You don't want to play along? Santosh Daniels is now the left fielder. That's what you get for not playing along. Left fielder, batting ninth for Breakout Trading. Good job, Sand. That's good. In ARDX still? I don't know if that's a good idea. I think he's overholding. Or either that or it's going to pop. Text my cousin Anthony. Is it going to pop? Question mark. Wink. That swing trade option, UVXY, that was on the text alerts. I'm setting the target to 7. No, just short, shy of 7, 680. And I'm going to swing that until this happens. All right, so as you can see, this is the way the market has been. It's been bing, bang, bing, bang, bing, bang within a channel, right? It just hit the peak and the highs of this channel, believe it or not, broke out a little bit, so it's showing a little bit of a prowers, however you say that word. And now it's going down. Duh. So what direction do you think that this is headed? I'd say 60% chance to the downside. And then once it gets to the downside, I mean, this has been in this rectangle for quite some time. And keep in mind, it came from the rectangle. Did it come from the upward position? So technically, when something gets stuck into a rectangle, it comes from the upward position. It leaves in the downward position. So let me let me see. Let's pull out our nifty little our nifty. I made that work. You guys like this? Boom! 2 week satisfaction guarantee if you sign up. It's $50 for the lifetime package. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked. Sign up. Sign up now. Sign up today. Where's that sheet, guys, that I always use? Here it is. Uh-oh, this could be a lot of things. I don't know what this is. Here it is. So, boom! Rectangle. So it comes from the top. It leaves where? To the downside. So we've been bing, bang, bing, bang, bing, bang, bing, bang in this rectangle for quite some time. And I'm pretty sure we came from the top. Did we? Let's check. It looks like it from this angle, but let's see. All right, so it's bing, bang, bing, bang. No, what am I doing? There we go. Okay, so it definitely entered the rectangle from the top. We can't dispute it. It was at all-time highs. Boom. Now we're in a rectangle. Bing, bang, bing, bang, bing, bang, bing, bang, bing, bang. And now it's going to drop. It's going to break out the bottom side of the rectangle because that's what this formation calls for. And I know that we're a very news related market, and it's very possible that might not happen, but it's gonna happen, I think. But my point being, this is a perfect swing opportunity for stocks like TVIX, which within that channel, ding, 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 it's kind of been consolidating. And people are getting less and less scared. Uh, but once it breaks out, it's for sure. And you can even see here, it's a bull flag formation on the TVIX. And yes, formations can go over, a few minutes or even a few days or years. These formations don't lie. And what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? And then another one that's great to swing would be UVXY. Look at that. In February, it went to 90. If you just bought it outright, you could triple your money on a potential pullback like we had previously in December. Or no, that's not even December, is it? Yeah, that's December. That's the is it the December? No, this is not even a year. So that is. Oh yeah. Okay, that's the December like flash crash we had. So it looks like we're getting set up for a slower version of this. And this alone is 3 times your money from 33 to 99, 94, 95. You'll make a fortune. But if you leverage that out with options, you'll make a killing. So we'll see. UVXY. Ooh, what's going on here? Uh oh. Oh, Antonio knew it was gonna pop. That son of a b. But the market's popping too. All right, can't be watching that. Uh oh, we got news. Breaking news. Oh no, we don't. But I think that that's the lowest where we're gonna come to, so I am gonna add to this position here. Ooh, I don't think I'll go in that heavy. Beautiful. That's amazing that that many people can die on a boat fire. You know, it's like the boat's in the water, but they got trapped. Sometimes those hatches only have one door. They really should work on making them more fireproof, and I think they have, but okay, the mark is 510. My purchase price is 539. I just don't understand why it's not moving. Talking about these options here, these weeklies. That's why I hate buying weeklies. Nobody freaking looks at them. There's not as much volume with them. Okay, YouTube, since you didn't get to hear, we are joining the time frame for TVIX day trade. Well, the TVIX, I don't know if I would swing that. But YouTube, we are. Let me get the thing ready. We are partaking in the World Series. We are team breakout trading. If you don't know what the World Series is, you will know in about 3, 2, 1 seconds.
World Series of day trading. You've read and heard about it everywhere. Now, let me tell you what it's all about.
Facebook can't hear this. Neither can we, but they can hear it.
The World
OBS
Series of
lets
day
them hear
trading
it.
is the largest, most important, and most dominant trading-related competition in the world. Every few months, the day trading community holds its breath for 6 trading days to see who is the leading talent in the world of trading. Each competitor gets a $240,000 demo account to trade with for the 6 trading days. The goal is to reach the end of the competition with the highest account balance and without getting eliminated. Each competitor must trade on at least 4 active trading days out of the 6, and you're not allowed to hold any position overnight. On a given trading day, you may not lose more than $3,500, and you can't be down more than $12,000 at any point in the competition. If you reach the max loss, you are automatically eliminated. It's an open competition, and anyone can apply, whether you have many years of track record in the market or very little experience. While we are powered by Tradenet, you can apply regardless of where you obtained your education and irrespective of the trading platform you use. The prizes for the champion and the runners-up are fantastic. The champion wins a $240,000 funded account access plus a $6,000 Tradenet voucher. Each one of the top 20 traders wins access to a funded account. The total funded account access fund surpasses $3 million. You need to know that as a competitor, you deserve to be a part of a team. Your team leader will guide you throughout the series. So it's better if you follow him and his social media channel closely. As a team member, you also enjoy the internal competition with your teammates. The best trader in your team wins an $80,000 funded account value, while the 2 runner-ups gets a $14,000 funded account access. Your team is also competing with the other teams. So if your team is among the top 3, then the leading players on your team can get even larger prizes. Got more questions? That's okay. Fill in the details below, and we will get back to you shortly to explain. Now it's time for you to go ahead and sign yourself up with one of the teams. Hurry up and sign up right now.
That is right. That is right. Sign up for Team Breakout Trading. You are going to see how's the market doing. Good. See exactly how to win. We are going to train you on how to beat this process. This is the platform that you will be using that I'm currently up around $2,500 and plan on finishing the day $5,000, and this is real money. I will have this money in my pocket by the end of next month. That's how it works. You get paid on the 15th of every month. So the 15 grand, well, some of the 15 grand I made in my cash account, but the 15 grand I made from last week will get paid to me on the 15th of this month. And that's freaking amazing. You can win an account with $240,000. Just sign up, join my team, okay? And I got a little incentive for you. Boom! This is $1,000. $1,000 US money, cash, real. Right. And it's not like the other groups that use the stacks of fake money. We use real money here. This will go to you. I'm trying to look for something that would make it look real. Like real money always has bullshit on it like this, just like stamps, and somebody wrote 1600 on there. So real money sent to you on my team if you get in one of the first 3 places. And I'm going to help take you there. I'm going to basically help take you there. Once you get to the top, one of the top 3 teams, all you have to do, I think it's done automatically. You say, hey, I did it with Team Breakout Trading. I couldn't have done it without them. And by the way, we're going to start training. Training camp, training season starts next week. Okay? So if you're excited, if you want to join my team, just click the link below and make sure it's going to say view available teams. You won't see our team there. There's hundreds of teams competing. The teams that you see there are the sponsor teams. Those are the teams that's the basically the people that sell the most accounts. That's how they got there. I have sold the most challenges, which are free. They literally told me that. They're like, you do all you do are challenges. It's like, well, I don't want to sell to people and then they screw up and lose their money and hate me. I'd rather them win it. So, long story short, sign up, get your free account because I could live with you blowing up a free account. All right, I really could. And man, I'm out of energy with that one. Um, yes, that's right. If you win, you're gonna win money, like cash money. You're gonna win your account money, and if you're the winner, if you want, I will trade your account for the first week or two. Reason I would do that is when you first get your account, if you lose 5%, that's it. They cut off your account. So what I'll do is I'll try to at least give you a nice cushion. Because I think the most you could lose on a $240,000 account is you. It's not the most you can lose. The lowest you could bring your balance to is 16,000 less than 240,000, because that would be 5%, right? This is Antonio Nasta on the phone. Can't really pick up. Look at everybody leaving as I'm touting this group. They just want to make money. They just want trades. Just give me trades. Shut up, phone. I fucking hate phones. I swear to God, I hate phones. I hate them. Sorry, I just had a moment. Shake that off. They're just so annoying. Like, dude, just like I go sit down. Yeah, I'm going to sit down by the water in my backyard. This is what I work hard for. And then, oh my God, I just want to freaking throw it in the water. Not with anything with you guys. It's like, this is just clearly a family thing. Um, Anywho. All right, so we have an upside down cup and handle here on the TVIX. I'm extraordinarily exposed, and I need to get out. I see the market popping up here. Uh, it seems as if that one option went to 550. Finally, I don't know how it went negative that quick, but it went to 550, and I'm not yet ready to sell. I'm gonna hold that one overnight. We know what to do. I mean, it's pretty. Oh, look at that pullback. That's a beautiful pullback. Why didn't I think of that? Ooh, was that stupid? Wow. Break 19, break 19, break 19, break 19. That's called hedging your positions. I don't even care if those options are negative. Those negative those options are negative. Okay, I'm short, so I have to buy the cover. Why am I on the sell trigger? Oh, it's going up too fast. All right, another 200 in the bat. You got to be quick. Hey. Sorry. Call my cousin Anthony. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. I knew that was gonna happen. I knew it was gonna pop up real quick on that. How much did I lose on that option there? Nothing. It's still at 550. This is such a slow freaking moving option. And I own three of them, which is the crazy part. All right, guys. What are we looking? Yo, yo. Yo, those were some awesome picks. I'm live right now. Nobody can hear you, I don't think. They might. Dude, Khan was insane. Up 411 on Khan. ARDX I didn't actually get into because my brokerage doesn't allow penny stock trades below a certain level or some shit. But yeah, Khan I made money. What was the other one? ARDX, right? I text. I know. I got out of Khan because I had a trailing stop on it, so I got stopped out. But 25 and change. I'm looking at the market right now, the TVIX, the UVXY, all that crap, because we're in the middle of that, dude. We're in the middle of a rectangle, and we came in from the top, so we're gonna leave out the bottom. So I'm like, I'm gonna go heavy long on that. I'm thinking of going like 3,500 just in options, UVXY. I don't think it's gonna stay flat like this for the rest of the year. I think it's gonna come down soon. It's got to. It can't stay like this. You see the channel, right? It can't stay in this channel like that forever. All right. Well, let me go because uh, I'm live. I'll talk to you later, Anthony. Thanks. Bye. All right. BLRN, BLRX. Guys, I got all this. I got all the goodies, man. I have the best artificial intelligence technology made available to. Oh, that would have been a perfect entry. It hit 245. Um, wow, look at ARDX. Bull flagging. That might pin it and shoot up again. Um, BLRX. What are you thinking? Dead cat bounce? Dead cat bounce means it literally dumps and then pops up. I'm gonna show you my group. Yeah, it's gonna bounce for a little bit, but I don't care. Like I said, those other trades are swings. I have a 14 theta on three of them, which is not a lot. Hmm. That was good. Here you go. Market's pulling back right here. Start going in very light because believe it or not, I'm not up that much. It's the grossest thing ever to suck your fingers, but what am I gonna do? Wipe it on my clothes? I guess so. Guys, you have audio now on Facebook, right? Let's find out.
I guess so.
Oh, look at that. I can give myself a little whoos. Anybody trading
Let's
anything out
find
there
out.
in Facebook world? No? Facebook? Oh, it didn't hit yet. Test, test. Oh no, Facebook is stuck. The hell? It better not be doing this all the time. Hmm. Oh shoot. That's a definite cup and handle forming there. Something's frozen. This computer is not supposed to freeze. It's like a freaking supercomputer. I think we're frozen. It's completely frozen. Test, 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 test. There we go. All right, looks like if you hear me, we have some kind of technical difficulty. I have no choice but to restart. All right, I think we are back up. Look at AKTK. Look at this one. Beautiful. All right. CD, what is it? What was the one in the text alert? See something? CDTX. There you go. And you have the crossover with the buy signal. This is going to pop back up, I believe. Although it does appear to be in a downtrend, so I don't know how much it will pop up. Um, Looks like CDTX you would have gotten stopped out. $245. Actually, it literally hit 246. So, let me just double check that. Is that the lows of the day? Market looks like it's reversing. Okay. Nope. Bayo turned out to be the best one. CDIX, the lows of the day were 243. So you might have gotten stopped out. That stinks. Oh, that's crazy. Stop hunters. That's what that is. Let's take a look at the penny stocks. It's not something I usually mess around with, but Kirk just popping up, hitting new lows, new daily lows. LightPath Technologies can move, and I love its current form. It's where it's currently sitting, and its formations, strong uptrends. Let me look up one more real quick. PRPCF. 21 cents. That's where it usually hangs out at. Actually, it used to hang out at 13 and jumped up. PRC, PRP, PRCPF. ONVO, ASM, Liquidia. Any good penny stocks at all? Ooh, VNNHF. Let's look at LightPath Technologies first. TTOO. BO is the #1 stock of the day. It's got, where's its float? 33 million float, 10 million volume. This thing might have more in it, potentially. NMUD. Wow, 2,000 rescue requests. Let's take a look at the LPTH. Wow, look at that. Look at these stocks. Look at Roku. My God. I want to see this at 90. Once it gets to 90, it runs up to that dollar level. Look at Roku dumping. Let's take a look at the markets. Definitely seeing a reversal here. Yeah, big time. It's gonna go ahead and get 1,000 shares of that. Yeah, we should keep an eye on the 10-year as well. That's TY, right? Look at that movement, man. This thing's crazy. Yeah, but that's not correct. I want to see. I'll get it. This show, they always showing in CNBC with the hot chick and then her boyfriend who's into remodeling, which is questionable. Sorry, I take that back. I realized how wrong that sounded. But I'm sorry. I've watched the show and I've questioned if they were just acting, if they were even really a couple. But anyway, reason I bring it up is they say, oh, a lot of people don't realize they're sitting on a gold mine. Like they might have a spare room or this, or that. And, you know, it's true. A lot of people might not. Breakout Trading Studio is the guest house, which used to be a garage, and then they expanded it, added an upstairs to another bigger house, and that's Breakout Trading Studios now. And now he gets money from me every month. And then plus he has apartments in the house. He gets money from me for that as well. This is definitely going to pull back hard. So I might want to just take what's on the table there, so to speak. Oh, it's at that 290 level. Needs to break that. Okay, looks like we almost broke it. There we go, we broke it. Up to 88, up to 100. up to 108. Mm, 50, 51. Got to keep really an eye on the level twos here. That's what it's all about. Most important to me is the ARCA. For me, I look at the ARCA more than anything else. ARCA, 55. There we go. There's that movement. Up 178. 158. Going down. 148. 750 shares. Better to sell in lots of 100. Get a better fill. 118. Sell. All right, now I have 300 shares. And it's popping up, so I'm just going to sell. All right. Up about 2 grand. Um, that's really it. I'm gonna leave that like that. VGS, Gold Corp. Mark is a great stock to trade. Yep, there you go. Did it break the dollar yet? What's the volume? Not great volume, but volume's literally 1%. That's not gonna do us any good. Need more volume. Kirk. Idea surfing. Let's play it. Currently playing idea surfing. So what that's gonna do is move from stock to stock to stock. And I'm gonna kind of leave that on for now, as I have to go make a trip. Oh, and let me give you the trade of the week, AI trade of the week, whatever.
I'm going to teach you today how to adapt to this.
Fuck you, Timothy Skikes. Wow, it's 20% off right now. No, I don't follow Tim. He's a scam artist. He's out to get a boatload of money from you, filming in exotic locations, and it's just such a scam. I've just like him in particular. I've heard bad things about. Other guys like Ross Cameron, other than he's expensive, nothing really bad, only good things, and he's just expensive, and you really leave there, and he makes it look easier than it is. That's basically what you get about that. It doesn't leave you with anything. Like I could sit here all day and trade stocks and just be like, bing, 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 and make money, and it doesn't teach you anything. So, but yeah, him and Ricky. Ricky is. I'll tell you a little bit about Ricky. Ricky, was not a trading guy. Ricky was like, I don't know how he got his fortune. I think his parents were rich. He says it was like real estate and cars, but he wanted to get into this trading game, and he did, and he made some noise, and people recognized him. And long story short, um, he's learned over the years. You know, he's gotten better and better. But nobody is like me. Nobody will teach you like me. And my Breakout Trading University is going to be sick. It's basically like if you've ever read those books, take your own, choose your own adventure books. It's literally what like Breakout Trading Studio is like. So essentially, what I mean by that is you're going to learn the basics, and then once if you know the basics, you could skip through that part technically. But then you're going to get to a point where you're going to be introduced to four main strategies that are commonly used in day trading, and you're going to basically pick, which one you like. Choose your own adventure. And then once you pick that one, it goes a little more into detail on that. And it's pretty cool. And it's taking some time to make, but it's currently started, and I'm excited. If you go look at Breakout Trading Orientation, you could literally skip through the first 15 minutes of that and kind of just watch the rest, but you'll get an understanding of especially if you look at the index of what's about to happen. You'll see like five finger strategies, point plays, pivot points. Those are all different strategies. um, but is anybody listening on YouTube taking the World Series? Like, have you signed up? You should sign up with my team because I know how to manipulate this system here. Okay, so the market's going down. All right, very good. It's pretty obvious. You got a little cup and handle almost forming here on the TVIX. So I'll take 1,000 shares. Got to go here to see what you're actually making. And that's another thing people don't realize about TV, about this platform is you'll always be in the negative when you buy something because you're always buying at the ask. Like it's ridiculous. You know, a discount brokerage like TD or E-Trade, they will try to get you the best price in between the ask and the bid. But nope, this is just ask bid. But there is a bonus to that because you always get fills. You never get like partial fills. You'll just get filled because you're buying at the ask. Maybe this isn't a reversal. Um, yes, absolutely. I mean, the number one chart scanner that I use is obviously Trade Ideas. Nothing, nothing. Oh, this is in my way. Nothing can compete with this. I've looked at the another AI company. I forgot their name, and I'm not just saying that not to like withhold information. I forgot their name, but they wanted like 8 grand up front to have this AI, they called it. And all it was a simple moving average, like a 9 day simple moving average, and what they called their predictive moving average. And if the predictive moving average overlapped the simple moving average, that told you which way the stock was going to go. Kind of worked like the Ichimoku cloud. And there was also a bar at the bottom. And if the bar was green, that meant like it's even more bullish. And it was the biggest ripoff. These guys were trying to charge a fortune. And I'm like, yo, you guys are selling this to suckers, man. I was like, you guys should be ashamed of yourself. Fucking 8 grand, 10 grand. Hell out of here. What I use is Trade Ideas. This is one of the first artificial intelligence. Legally, I can't show you the actual artificial intelligence, like legally. Um, they make you sign a contract within my program. Um, but this is where the money is. This is where the juice is at. Look at this. This just gives you stops. It gives you targets. How are you gonna beat that? How are you gonna beat that? I'll send it here, right here. There. And if you use this, it is case sensitive. You get 15% off, and I get, a pat on the back. But I think that if you click that link, you're gonna see something for 20% off. Obviously, use that. I'm not gonna tell you not to take that 15% off. I mean 20% off. All right, Facebook. I'm gonna add a Facebook group that I am in myself. This is a member of mine. He started this group. Um, All right, guys. Oh crap, I'm totally not watching. All right, I like that. I like that when I'm not watching and money comes in. But I'm gonna just go ahead and leave the penny stock scanner running, and because I gotta run somewhere. But definitely seen a few good ones. It's on play, surfing actually, so should continue to surf. And I mean, I'll leave this like this from now on if that's what you guys want. You let me know. Like when I leave. Just to start, is it okay to use TD? Yeah, that's what I recommend. I recommend you use TD Ameritrade. Um, Thinkorswim. Ooh, market's popping up strong right now. Very strong. What time? Did the time change or something? It's 11:30. But yeah, go take a look at what I have. Breakout trading orientation. I have two videos I could send. Facebook. One is very simple. It's literally so simple that I just wrote how to trade in stocks on a piece of graph paper and held it up to the screen because I literally didn't know how to do graphics yet when I made this one. And you can see I'm a good 20 pounds lighter in this video as well. Um, Let me see.
On a screen share. So I have this program here.
That's that. And then
Find what you're the best at, perfect it. Competence. Now, what is your circle of competence? Your circle of competence is it's something that it's the strategy.
and then this is Breakout Trading University orientation. So first one is just like how to become a day trader type video, and the second one is a little more detailed. HDSN. Looking good. CDTX, I guarantee you, is going to pop at some point throughout the day. This thing is going to pop up about 40 cents. All I'm saying is keep an eye on it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, 64 on Forex, and now I have no Be careful with forex, Aaron. I traded forex, and I just like equities better.
More questions?
We're gonna take a look at some other stocks. We're gonna take a trading. I mean, I think, but yeah, go ahead and click the. And then meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and just play that video while I set this up. Because I already know what we're doing today, what we're trading. I mean, I think you. Hello. Yes. I did not. I did receive it, and I'm not interested, man. I'm just not interested at this time. All right. Everything that you sent me was looked at, and it's not up my alley. I like equities. I like companies that are already. I'm sorry. I checked out Dr. Zephyr. I don't understand your relationship with him. It's not something I'm willing to invest in at this time. How are you the CEO of Dr. Zephyr's company? I don't understand that. Right. You're his partner, but he created a cure. And are you bringing this to market? What phase is it? It says nothing about that. What are you taking? Did you even start phase one of the clinical trials yet? They're done. Okay. All right. So can you send me just one more time a thing on the I don't know. I just don't get it, man. I don't get the business. I don't get that it has to be a skin cream. Can you send it to me one more time? Everything on Dr. Zephyr and this business, the name. I want the full report, everything you got. If you made any revenue up to this point, I gotta know that too. Okay, I'll sign a non-disclosure agreement. I have no problem doing that. Okay, let's do it that way then. See, that was the whole issue. Is I felt like there was information being withheld, but as you said, no, we just need the non-disclosure agreement to release it to you. I'll sign the non-disclosure agreement and then we'll go over it. We'll have a sit down. Does Dr. Zephyr even live in New York? All right, and then we'll do that. Huh? All right, very good. Okay, so what do I look for? His name, Andy Moden. You said Andy Morgan. Okay, so I'll keep a lookout for Andy Morgan, and I will open that email and I will take a look. You too. Bye bye. Fuck. Was I too harsh on him? Did that sound mean? Did you guys hear that?